Today we have a big ant collapsible milk crate. You can purchase this at Northern Tool. I want to give you guys a short little video of this so you have an idea what it's like. We picked this up just as a carrier, a little luggage carrier for the trail bike. It's a perfect size and it should be pretty easy to take it on and off. Right now it's just sitting on there, we don't have it fully set up. Alright, so we're going to demonstrate how to break this down quick. Put these in. It's pretty nice and compact. Store it away pretty easily. I'd say it's a pretty good buy. And just as easily as it goes down, it comes right back up. So we can assemble it back. Let you guys see that. Snaps in on that side. Snaps in there. And it's pretty good size. Strong, durable. Definitely wouldn't say it's cheaply made. It's a quality product. We're going to demonstrate how this lock mechanism works. It's snapped in right now. Alright, so basically when them are pinched in, this is the plastic tab that retracts and allows it to lock. We'll get a shot of it clicking in here. Exactly. Here's the part number for you guys. It's IP403026. Again, it can be purchased at Northern Tool. It does have a handful of different sizes. This is just the one that turned out to be the right size for our bike.